Okay, this is a box opening of a Gates TCKWP312 engine timing belt kit with water pump. I got this off Amazon, and it is indeed a TCKWP312. So let me open up the box. Got to walk around the camera. And this is what you get. The timing belt. The timing belt is a T312 Gates. Never been smaller than pulley. Do not use tools to pry onto pulley. So basically you just touch it. There is a tray. It's inside. So the box is empty. Here's the tray. Hopefully, I'm not going to be able to see, but I got a rough idea where we're looking. So, alert, instructions, alert, installation, instruction sheet, and gasket are under the tray. Well, that's under the tray. This is in the tray. So let's open this up and see what we have. Oh, look, here we go. Important. Read special instruction included in this kit before removing plastic sleeve. Okay. Okay, we have here the water pump. It looks like it has a ridge where the belt will slide on and can't go forward. Reasonable amount of weight. We have a bolt. We have a spring in there with a sleeve. I don't know if that's the sleeve they're talking about. This is a gasket for the water pump. NSK, I don't know who they are, but NSK.com, you get a, that's the number. You move it closer. The number on that bearing, it's a 55ATB0723A02B03. Motion control. What's inside here? This is the to put pressure on the belt. It has a set of pins. Imagine you remove this to get it to go for the spring to uncompress. So let's put that back in the box and not move that around. There are instructions here that come with it. Okay, we got a sticker, so you can tell when we changed it how many miles. Technical service bulletin, installation recommendation for timing belt system on Honda 1.7 engine. I guess 2001, 2000 requires a longer bolt. I got a 2004. But this is what you have. I'll know what size. Well, I won't know what size. I'll just have to assume when I pull the bolt, I'll see what it is. Timing components kit, limited warranty. Component free from defects, replacement interval determined by manufacturers, blah blah. I'm not going to read through all this, but it does have mode to installation instructions. Water pump installation instructions are here. So you have this document plus the one that was on the bottom. And this is timing belt replacement, 2001 to 2005. Tells you how to set up the, looks like the TDC mark, what you have to take off, timing belt replacement, basically instructions, camshaft pulleys, there's foot-pound torques there, torques. Values, and then this is just a different language, but they gave you everything in one box, nicely set up. That's what you get in the kit. So anyway, I don't know about the protective sleeve. I'll have to read. They may want you to cut that off after you install it. I don't know. But that's the kit. Okay, hope you enjoyed it. Now I'm going to put it all back together again. I got brakes to do on the Honda before I get to the water pump and timing belt.